we are going to talking about today is that what is multiple inheritance concept, right? So multiple inheritance concept, in the previous class I told you that is suppose I have the likes of one blocks, I have the second block, and I have the third block. So we have the these three blocks. So in the programming concept, will be say in the sense of object-oriented programming, this is the one class, this is the second class, and this is my third class. So what I am going to do, multiple means more than one. Multiple is the meaning that is the more than one. That means if we are going to inherit the features of one class to other class, that means we are going to inherit the features of this class to in this class, or as well as we are going to implement the features of this class to in this class. Means what are we going to do, we are going to implement the both class features in the single class. That means what are we going to do, we are going to inherit from more than one class. Here is the one class, this is the second class. All these class we are going to inherit in this single class, that is the multiple inheritance. So yesterday I discussed already you. Now we are coming, today is the practical session zone. So now is the coming to this practical session zone. We are taking the existing project we have already created in the previous class. We are just opening to that, it's taking some time. And now we have the one class is the, sorry, here is the no any class, so don't worry, we are creating the one class, this is a C. So go to the console new application, go नेक्स्ट, सी को चूज करेंगे, नेक्स्ट, टाइटल देते हैं इनहेरिट, राइट।
सर सी
प्रोजेक्ट
में
का
कहाँ
अपना नाम देंगे, कुछ भी यहाँ पर नाम हम दे सकते हैं। नाउ गो टू
सी
द
में
नेक्स्ट,
सी
GNU
में कहाँ
CCC compiler should be selected, then finish. Now coming to the source, here on that we are coming, sorry for that, we are coming to the source folder here. Here we have the sources, and in these sources we have the main.ccc, main.c. So C extension is the main.c. We will come to this, and this is our code. So this is for the C programming. But what are we going to do? We are going to set C++. So we have to take a C++ project. So this is for C. Here is a C that CBP. CBP is the extension for C plus and CPP. Both is the extension for C++. So we are coming to this C++ file. Open. Now this class we are going to remove because this one we already done in the previous class. Just removing this code. We are going to create a one class here. That is the class I am taking the father. And in that, what I am going to do, I am going to use the public access specifier because I need a data in the publicly. So that's why I am giving the access specifier. Then we have to take the one variable that is an integer type height. We are taking the height. Second, we are taking the one method that is the void, and we are going to create the ask father. One method we are going to create, ask father we are going to create. This is the method. Or in that method, we are going to print some message. I am saying, yes, I'm your father, and that's ask me what do you want. So that means do you want, and that's here we have to give the double quote, and now int L we are going to use for this. So this is my class father, right? And here is the one thing why is missing, because this is a class is not coming to the right, so we have to write class. Now enter to right, and here we have to give the semicolon. Always remember this class is going to the close. Second class, this is the father. Now we are going to create a one more class. This is the class mother. So I am taking the mother class, or in that we are going to take the again public access specifier, and in that we are taking the string type of variable skin color, and we are giving the void. We are taking the ask mother, or in that we are going to create a, that is some message for you and your mother tell me. So we are giving the one message here, and indel concept we are going to use. So this is a class for mother, right? Two variables we are taking here. Now we are coming to the one more class. This is the class child class we are taking, and in that we are going to use public access specifier mode again in this class, and we are going to create the one method. This is the void ask parents. So we are taking the one method, and in that we are going to use the cout function for printing the some message. I'm asking my parents and giving the some message for that, and here we are going to close in that. Sorry for that, ind l, not in that, right? So now this is for the parents. Here what I'm going to do, I am just using the one more. This is the void. We are going to method. We are going to create the set color and height. Set color and height. Sorry for that. Or in that moment, what are we going to do? We are passing the two parameters. One is the string. This is for, sorry, for string. This is the eye color. One variable we are taking this, and another variable we are taking the type for eye height. Right now, in that method, we are passing the these two parameters. We are coming to the skin color, or not skin. Is not coming the skin color. For example, we have to get a skin color, right? So, okay. So a skin color, और इस पर हम असाइन कर रहे हैं आई कलर, राइट? इसके बाद हम ले रहे हैं हाइट, और इस पर जो हम असाइन कर रहे हैं वो आई हाइट को असाइन कर रहे हैं, क्लियर है? नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट. One more method we are taking the void display, and for this is a printing the some data, right? And in that we are going to write a cout function we are going to use, and we are going to print the first height. In the L we are going to use, sorry, again we are going to print the message of this skin color, right? So we are going to talking about here, that is the, I can write the skin color, we can write also anything. So I am just writing the skin color, right? And we are sorry, skin color, and we are going to indel, just print this, right? Okay, right. This is over height, and now we are coming to the main class. We are going to create the child class object, and we are giving the child class object is the like SOP. This is my object name, and now we are going to take the SOP dot set color and height, and we are just passing the first white color, and second is the passing the age, that is the 56. That's it. We are going to taking the SOP object dot display object, because I have to print the data on the screen. I can also access the shop dot ask parents, right? I can do that, this one. But right now I'm not going to ask the parents here. First we have to understand this, what is happening. तो देखिए अब समझते हैं हम लोग कि वंस अगेन कोडिंग्स को कि हम किस तरीके से इसको एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं. हमने क्या किया कि क्लास फादर वी हैव टू क्रिएट one created first class, this is the father class, or in that we are going to accessing the public. So we are going to access the data in the public mode. If you are not giving this public access specifier in C++, always takes the protected mode. If you are not going to use this public, that means data will be always private. So that's why I am going to use this public. Here we are taking the integer height, one variable we are going to declare. That declare the variable is the height. That variable is defines the structure of the object, structure of the object, right? So in the class we can go, we are going to mention structure and behavior of the method. So variable always consider the structure, and while as your method, this is your method, is always consider your action, that is the behavior of the object. वो कैसा बिहेव करेगा ऑब्जेक्ट, वो मेथड डिफाइन करता है. उसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होगा, वो वेरिएबल डिफाइन करता है. तो हम ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्सेप्ट इसलिए स्टडी करते हैं ताकि हम स्ट्रक्चर और उसके एक्शन को एक साथ इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. Now in that sub method we are not giving the return any type, and here we are going to print the message, that is I am your father, ask me what do you want. This is my message for this ask father, right? This is the class father, class is over. One class we are going to create, this is the mother class. In that mother class we are going to take the public access specifier mode, and in that we are going to take the one variable, that is the skin color. In the string we are going to use the, that is the data type is the string, because color will be assigned as a string mode, right? And this data is also your public variable as well as your method. So method is void ask mother. This is the one method, and in that method we are going to define something, this method, and we are going to print this message here, right? That is ask I'm your mother, tell me. So this is the for father class and this is for your mother class. So I have the two class, father and mother. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create a one more class, this is a child class, and in that child class we are going to only take the two data, that is the one is the publicly mode, that means access specifier, and second one is the method. So in that we are going to printing the some message for the ask parents method. Now here we are going to implement, means we are going to inherit the features of father and mother class in this child class. I want to do so. What we have to do, column will be used for the inheritance concept in the C++. Give the your access specifier mode, means in which view you are going to inherit. So here I am going to inherit the publicly mode. So we are giving the public mode, and in that we have to write the name of our class, means from which class you are going to inherit. So first I want to inherit from father class, right? So give the name of class, and second I want to inherit from the mother class. So here I will give the comma and write the mother class, the mother class. That's it. That is the only class. So here you have to give the public access specifier mode, and here you have to give the class name, father and mother. For more than one class, if you are going to use another class, just give the comma and write the anything your class name, right? Any class name you can write. In same way, you have to give the comma and you can write another class name. So here I am going to use the two class, that is the father and mother class. All these features I am going to implement, means father and mother class. These both class I am going to inherit the features into the child class in this moment. That is the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means what? We are going to more than one class. Means इसका भी features और इसका भी feature हम child class में ले रहे हैं, implement कर रहे हैं. Clear है? तो हम बोलेंगे कि फादर और मदर का जो फीचर्स है वो चाइल्ड क्लास में आ गया. तो हमने क्या किया, एक से अधिक क्लास के फीचर्स को एक चाइल्ड क्लास में इन्वॉल्व कर दिया, राइट? इनहेरिट कर दिया। तो इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को हम लोग बोलते हैं मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस। नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर, दैट इज द father and mother's feature is available here also, and child class features is also available. So what I am going to do, I am coming to the last year in that section, that is for the, we are coming to this moment. This is the, our method is the, in the child class we have to see, this is the parents, and this is the, we are going to set the method set color and height. This is the second method we are going to use, and in that we are passing the string. This is the eye color and this is the int eye height, and here we are passing the skin color, right? On that eye color we are going to assign this parameter, and on eye height we are going to assign here, that is the, on that moment is the height. So we have to set color and height. This is the method in this child class, and one method is a display. We are going to use the, we have to display the skin color and height, both is that. So what I am going to do, in that main function we are going to create the object of child class, right? And through that through object, this is our static object. तो हम स्टैटिक ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू क्या कर सकते हैं कि दिस ऑब्जेक्ट जैसे मैंने लिया तो मैं किसी भी मेंबर्स को एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज चाइल्ड क्लास में ऑलरेडी सारे फीचर्स आ चुके हैं। तो सेट कलर एंड हाइट पर जब मैं गया तो उसके अंदर पहला पैरामीटर मुझे पास करना था स्ट्रिंग, और दूसरा मुझे पास करना था इंटीजर, दोनों मैंने पास कर दिया। अब जब मैं जाके सॉफ्ट डॉट डिस्प्ले करूंगा तो हाइट और कलर प्रिंट हो जाएगा। क्या प्रिंट होगा? वाइट एंड 56। इसके बाद मैं जाकर देखो एसओपी जब मैं राइट करता हूँ ऑब्जेक्ट को डॉट करता हूँ तो यहाँ पर देखो अब मैं फादर वाले को भी एक्सेस करता हूँ, मदर को भी एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज फादर और मदर का जो फीचर्स है वो चाइल्ड क्लास में आ चुका है। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सेस टू दिस वन, राइट? एंड सपोज इफ आई एम नॉट multiple inheritance we are going to use here. For example, just remove to this, and I am coming to this here. Suppose this code I didn't write this code. So if you are not writing to this code, and if you want to go to access here sop dot, so see यहाँ पर फादर और मदर का नहीं आ रहा है, एक्सेस नहीं कर पा रहे क्योंकि उसका फीचर्स इंप्लीमेंट हम लोग इनहेरिट किया ही नहीं है चाइल्ड क्लास में। तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा कि वही सेम कोड को हमें राइट करना होगा यहाँ पर जो हमने राइट किया था अभी। दैट इज अ चाइल्ड क्लास, वी हैव टू गिव द कॉलम, एंड पब्लिकली मोड में हम जाकर एक्सेस स्पेसिफायर को यूज करेंगे। पहला क्लास का नेम देंगे क्योंकि फादर से हमें इनहेरिट कराना है, और सेकेंड हम देंगे अपने मदर क्लास का नेम। क्लियर है? ये दोनों क्लास का फीचर्स हमारे चाइल्ड क्लास में इनहेरिट हो गया। नाउ I am able to inherit the features of father and mother class. So see shop dot ask father I will take, second I will take shop dot ask mother, ये मैं दोनों को एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ। तो यहाँ पर मैंने फादर वाले को भी एक्सेस कर लिया और मदर वाले को भी एक्सेस कर लिया, और चाइल्ड क्लास के जो अंदर है वो तो मैं एक्सेस कर ही लूँगा, राइट? दैट इज द डिस्प्ले। So this one we can access to this, right? Now we are going to the another time of this zone. We have to run and build. First we have to compile to this program and see the error is coming or not. So I hope that will we go to the some occasionally moment and see hello, but sorry for that. Where is it? First of all we are going to build, because that one was taking the previous, means previous, so we have the code is there, that is there, right? Now this build is completed, we are coming to the build and run. Sorry for this. This problems is coming from the code
Re-
study. Don't worry. This
rebuild
code is
करिए सर,
working
rebuild.
properly. Is the fine. If you are going to remove to this code, and after some time I will go to the correct. This code is absolutely fine, and don't worry because
rebuild
that
करिए
code
सर.
is running from the previous data is stored in the static moment. That's why it's coming out, right? So all of you getting this point? What is the multiple inheritance? Yes or no? Just write
सर
this
क्वेश्चन है,
right from here.
सर क्वेश्चन है. हेलो हेलो Hello.
Completed? Up to this point is completed, all of you?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
Just hold one.